how to grow your YouTube channel. YouTube is the best platform that can change your story. Tested, a lot of people have tried it and they've dropped testimonies how YouTube have impacted their life financially, mentally, and otherwise. If you want to make money from YouTube, you want to grow your channel, you want to change your story from YouTube, grab a seat. This video is for you. Hi, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content about how to make money online. As I'm about the time I'm making this video, I have 93,000 subscribers on my wonderful community, all because I've tested these skills and it's worked for me. Okay, let's get right into it. Growing your channel on YouTube is not difficult. It's very easy and doable. You need to get monetized, 1,000 subscribers, 3,000 watch hour or 4,000 watch hour to get your channel monetized, and you start earning money. In YouTube, you have 3 categories, 3 options of videos you can post. You can either decide to be making short videos depending of your time. If you have time to make short videos only, you can make good money from short videos. Short videos can be categorized as a minute video or 3 minutes straight videos like reels. You can decide to use that 1 minute to teach whatever you want to teach, express yourself, educate people, and make good video about whatsoever you want to make on your channel. If you have time that you can create long videos, you can create long videos and make money from long videos. Or you go live to explain, do tutorials of anything you want to talk about. You can carry people along on a live event and grow your channel. Now, growing your channel is one of the easy things people don't understand that you can actually do on YouTube. All you need to do is to create engaging, evergreen videos. Don't just do video about Valentine is in few days time. You are making video about the season, the period. There is nothing wrong doing that. But you need to make a video whereby people can still search and watch in the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So you need to think about long-term plan. Don't just think about the present events. I create videos about Valentine. I created video about Christmas. Yes, I have multiple videos about long-term plans, how you can make money from social app, how you can do this and how you can do that. When creating video, ask yourself, will my audience watch? What impact will this video create on YouTube platform? You have competitors, people creating same type of video on your niche. You have people that have good camera, better editing and all that. So if you don't want to compete with them, go straight and create amazing videos, have good audience. And creating video on YouTube, I will advise you to be consistent. Try and post as much as possible. If you have the chance and the energy, create minimum of 5 videos in a day. This is the best way you can grow on YouTube. Algorithm doesn't know you that much. You are new in the system. When algorithm gets familiarized with your video, your name, your content, your channel, you can decide to say 3 videos in a day. And mind you, you make money from YouTube not just by the video you post. You make money when you get monetized. The advert that runs on your channel is when you get paid for. YouTube pays you for the adverts that runs on your channel. So imagine you create videos, like 5 videos in a day, and most videos, the RPM and CPM might be low. You might be shocked when you create videos, the RPM and CPM might be like $19, $25, $30, thereabouts. With time, you notice the RPM and CPM has actually reduced depending the performance of your video. I've watched a couple of videos where people try to discourage new YouTubers from creating short videos, telling you that short videos kill your channel. I am a living witness of a short video. Short video pays you well if you have good audience that engage on your short video. So please do well to ask yourself, which will I be okay with? Which will I be easily creating the video for? If you have the luxury of time, you create 3 of them: short video, long video, and go live. 3 of them will bring good revenues for you, and you grow from getting your subscribers. I got my 93,000 subscribers from creating short videos, long videos, and going live. I try as much as possible, no matter what I do, to create videos every day. And what good thing about YouTube is this: if YouTube notice that you are serious, you are dedicated in creating video, YouTube will keep pushing your video out there to wider audience. And when YouTube do that on your channel, you will have more chances of getting endorsements, getting discovered, and making good revenues for yourself. So let me know the kind of content you would love to create, and I can tell you how you can go about it, creating more videos. And one of the advantages of going live on YouTube is when you are monetized, people that love what you do, people that like your kind of content, will give you gifts. 2 types of gifts on YouTube. We have thanks and super chats. So someone that likes what you do can decide to give you $1, $10, £20, thereabouts. So focus on creating good content. Don't be carried with the money that people will give to you. Don't be carried with that. Don't put money first. Focus on having good videos for your audience. Give your audience good quality. You can create good videos with your mobile phone. If your phone has a 4K video capacity, you can create video on 4K. Don't be discouraged and saying you don't have a camera, you have to wait till whenever you have camera. I don't have a camera. I have 92,000 subscribers. I have uploaded so many videos. As we speak, I have over 17 videos to edit this night and upload. That is the power of YouTube changing your story. So what are you waiting for? Create that amazing video today, post it online, and watch your channel change your stories. People make millions of dollars from YouTube. Are you the shy type, don't want to show your face, or you have a reason why you don't want to show your face? You can create faceless channels, folktales, cartoon, create motivational speaking videos, drop it out there. You don't need to show your face. Most important is to create good quality, educating and engaging video for your audience. Don't say you are shy, you don't want to do this. People do video without showing their face, explaining whatever they want to explain. There are millions of niches dive in. You can go into lifestyle vlogging, you can go into how to make money, you can go into fitness, you can go into religious, and millions. There is nothing you cannot do. There is no limit on the type of video you can create and post on YouTube. YouTube is so wide and open for all of us. One person cannot finish the money on YouTube. YouTube needs as much as you need YouTube's money. So, video today. Start creating and making good money for yourself. Hi, my name is Anthony Olo. If you're seeing my face for the first time, please do well to subscribe. Click on the bell notification to be part of this amazing community. See you on my next video. Cheers.